There are many benefits to having an outdoor area added to your home. One includes having more space for entertaining, especially for the upcoming spring and summer nights. Imagine having a barbecue with your neighbors, family, and friends on the 4th of July or Labor Day weekend in an area that you helped create and design. Now, that's a celebration. The aesthetic appeal for a newly designed outdoor space may also increase your home's value. An outdoor living area, especially in the Sunshine State, is highly desired. No plans to move in the immediate future. That's simply more time for you to enjoy the space for yourself. Being outdoors is also proven to help boost overall health. Studies have shown that it can reduce stress, improve your mood, and aid in positive thinking. After being stuck inside all day at the office, how enjoyable would it be to come home to an outdoor oasis in your backyard? Your backyard is a great place to unwind and spend some time with loved ones and friends. It's yours. Yours to customize, to create what you want, and build the safe haven of your dreams. If you are feeling a bit stagnant or need a bit of refresh, think of your backyard as a blank canvas which is yours to be creative and free. These days there are so many options and places to look for inspiration. It's actually great and should give you some real motivation to get it done. You might have an idea of what you want to do anyway, but it's always good to throw some potentially new ideas into the mix. So, what you can do to transform your backyard? We have put together some awesome ideas that could really help and give you some momentum. Think of your backyard as an ongoing project and one that might never be perfect. Once you realize that you might enjoy it more as opposed to getting annoyed because things aren't exactly how you want them. This can really be quick, simple, and affordable to do. Perhaps you have some old fences that need a new lease of life, so investing in a bit of paint and giving them a once-over will really help you with the overall look and feel of your backyard. Try going for colors you haven't used before and ones that will really give your backyard some fresh look. Painting your fences should not take up huge amounts of time, so if you are busy, then this could be a great shout. If your patio is looking a little worn or it's been a while since you did it, think about having it redone or upgraded could transform your whole backyard. Usually the patio is the first thing you see or walk on when you enter the backyard, so it sets the tone for the whole entire space. Especially if you host people regularly, you want to start to look great and help to keep up appearances. Maybe you have decided that you want to go for something new next time. You might have stone slabs, and next you want to try out a stamped concrete patio, giving your backyard a whole new dimension. Thanks for watching. Until next time.